Hello everyone, how are you all? So I hope you all are doing fine. And today I am going to share with all of you class 10 math content plan. So before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Karan Gupta. I am your math tutor and I speak Hindi and English two languages. Okay, so, and I belong to Raigad, Chhattisgarh. I have done schooling from here only from my hometown. And post schooling, I moved to Raipur and I did my graduation from NIT Raipur and from civil engineering stream. And post graduation, I have worked in various MNCs. Okay, some of the top MNCs of India like Ambuja Cements, JSPL. But my love for teaching brought me back in the field of education. And since 2019, I have been into teaching field, and I am really passionate about my profession. Okay, what I am doing now, right now, and I have been associated with a lot of ethics. For example, Byju's, Swift Learn, Learner Circle. So I have a wide experience of more than 4 years in both offline teaching and online teaching. And besides that, I am a certified Vedic Maths tutor. I am a certified abacus tutor. I am a certified STEM educator too. So, it's been a wonderful journey so far and I'm really enjoying. So now let us move ahead and discuss what all chapters are there in class 10th and how we are going to cover it. So this is the breakup of our content plan. Okay, it's 100 hours breakup. So you can see all the chapters are there. Okay, all the units and how much weightage they have according to the boards, and in those units, what are the chapters we have to cover, right? So if I talk about the number system, the very first unit, it has a weightage of 6 marks, and in that we will be discussing real numbers, right? So number system, you all have studied from grade 7, isn't it? So coming to class 10, we will be discussing some very interesting new concepts like fundamental theorem of arithmetic, its application, HCF, LCM, and a lot of things, right? And we will be devoting around 6 hours, right? So we will be practicing also in the same section. We will be studying few concepts, doing questions, studying concepts, doing questions. So this will be the flow, right? Then we will move to algebra. So algebra has got a weightage of 20 marks, right? You can see all the chapters starting with polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, right? So इसमें से सारे chapters आपने class 9 में भी पढ़े हैं, right? Polynomials के बारे में आपको पता है, linear equations you have studied, right? In one variable, quadratic equation, arithmetic progression. So class 10th में हम लोग कुछ नए concepts देखेंगे. पॉलिनोमियल में रिमाइंडर थ्योरम हो गया, फैक्टर थ्योरम हो गया, देन पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस में हम अलग-अलग मेथड सीखेंगे, besides graphical method, right? What are the other ways? Then quadratic equations also we'll see some new concepts. We'll learn quadratic formula, right? One of the very famous formulas. Then we will see arithmetic progression. उसमें भी हम लोग बहुत सारे अलग-अलग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे. Sum of the series, sum के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, general term and all, right? So these are the number of hours we are going to devote, and in every session we will be studying concepts and solving the questions, right? And every type of question I'm going to cover, right, from easy to hard, okay, and from different various reference books also, right? So everything we are going to cover. And then talking about coordinate geometry, so coordinate geometry also फिर आपने 9th में पढ़ा है, distance formula, right? Class 10 में हम लोग section formulas के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, point of bisection, trisection. Okay, so many new concepts are there. We are going to love it. ठीक है, बहुत मजा आएगा कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री पढ़ने में. Then triangles भी आपने पढ़ा है क्लास 9 में. Triangles congruency के बारे में पढ़ा था आपने. हम लोग सिमिलैरिटी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे क्लास 10 में. सर्कल्स भी पढ़ेंगे. सर्कल्स ज्योमेट्री तो बहुत मजा आता है पढ़ने में, right? So we will be covering triangles, circles. I will be devoting 8 hours in both the chapters. Then comes your trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry is what you can say, it's a very tough chapter also, but very easy at the same time. अगर आपको सारे concepts समझ में आ गया तो trigonometry is you can do within a fractions of second. ठीक है? So you will be going to love, okay, trigonometry. I will be sharing some tricks and tips also how you can solve trigonometric questions very fast. Students face difficulty in trigonometric identity, so I have few tricks which I will be going to share. Okay, so we will be devoting a lot of time in trigonometry. Then हम लोग mensuration के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, areas related to circle, surface area and volume. उसमें बहुत सारे formulas है. कैसे हम लोग कैलकुलेशन को स्मार्टली कर सकते हैं। सो वहां पे मैं जो अपने वैदिक मैथ्स का नॉलेज है वो आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा कि हम बड़े बड़े कैलकुलेशन को कैसे फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड में कर सकते हैं, जो कि हमको ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस में हेल्प करेगा, अपने आंसर्स चेक करने में हेल्प करेगा, राइट। यू विल लव हाउ वैदिक मैथ्स टेक्निक्स विल बी हेल्पिंग यू इन सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम चैप्टर, ठीक है। एंड देन फाइनली स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी, सो इट इज आल्सो वेरी इजी चैप्टर, आपने पढ़ा है क्लास 9 में। सो विल सी सम न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स, है ना। मेन मीडियन मोड के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, प्रोबेबिलिटी के कुछ बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। So overall, this is the breakup of a 100 hours of our content plan. ठीक है, and we will be covering all the topics. Don't worry, and you are going to love this journey. Okay, so stay with me and let me introduce my demo video with all of you. Okay, of trigonometry, where I am sharing a small trick. So please see. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a new topic, that is trigonometric identities and how we can solve it in a very easy and fast way. Okay, most of the students I know get stuck in T identities question. So we'll see a trick how we can solve T identities question very fast. So before, let us understand the difference between an equation and an identity. So an equation can often be solved to find a value of x. For example, we are given with an equation that is x square is equal to 1. So if we solve it, we'll get two values of x that will satisfy the equation, that is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. Whereas an identity, the two sides are equal for all values of x. Okay, because one side of the equation is just a different form of the other side. For example, we are given with an identity that is x plus 1 whole square. So if we expand, we'll get x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is an example of an identity, since left hand side can be expanded to give us right hand side. Okay, so while solving trigonometric identities question, okay, what we have to do, we have to show that one side of the equation can be transformed into the other side of the equation. Okay, and we'll see how we can do this transformation using a trick. Okay, and it will help us to solve some T identities question very fast. So let us discuss a question. 1 upon 10a plus 10a is equal to 1 upon sin a cos a. So what the trick says, we have to replace cos a with x, sin a with y, and tan a with y by x in any given question. So I am taking left hand side. Let us replace tan a with y by x. So 1 upon tan a can be written as y by x plus y by x. Okay, similarly solve it further, so it will become x upon y plus y by x. Take the LCM, do the crosswise multiplication, will get x square plus y square upon xy. So x square plus y square, you can see it is giving us an standard T identity. Y square plus x square is nothing but sin square a plus cos square a, which is equal to 1. So I can replace x square plus y square with 1, and in the denominator will get xy. Now again replace x and y with sin a and cos a. So 1 upon x can be written as cos a, y can be written as sin a. So you can see this is equal to right hand side. Okay. So you can see using the trick you are able to solve this T identity question very fast. Let us discuss one more question. This is a question of our NCERT. We'll use the same trick. Take the left hand side, replace cos a with x, sin a with y. So x upon 1 plus y plus 1 plus y upon x. Take the LCM, do the crosswise multiplication. What will get? X square plus in the bracket 1 plus y whole square, and in the denominator 1 plus y multiply by x. Okay. Solve the numerator, open the brackets, will get x square plus 1 plus y square plus 2y upon 1 plus y in the bracket multiply by x. Again you can see we are getting x square plus y square. So I can replace x square plus y square with 1, and we have 1 already. So 1 plus 1 will give me 2. So I can write it as 2 plus 2y upon 1 plus y multiply by x. Now take 2 common from the numerator. You will get 1 plus y in the bracket divided by 1 plus y multiply by x. 1 plus y and 1 plus y will cancel out. What will remain? 2 by x. So x can be again be replaced with cos a. So 2 by cos a, we know the reciprocal of cos a is sec a. So Our answer is 2 seconds. So you can see this is equal to right answer. Okay. So you can see we are able to prove T identities question in 3-4 steps. Okay, in less than 3 steps, we can prove T identities question using one identity only, using one standard identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Understood? So thank you very much.